Or if you're loaded like that and you want to get him like a new actual console, like an Xbox or a PS4, you can get him that. Again, make sure it's like your husband or your dad or a boyfriend who you've been with for a long time, who you intend to still be with for a long time, because I'm not about wasting money on people who aren't worth it. Hey loves, it's Angelica aka Angie B, and it is still Vlogmas. In today's video we are going to be doing a gift guide for him. If you came from my gift guide for her, then you'll see that some of the things are a little bit similar because they're unisex. And of course there's going to be so many different gift ideas for the man in your life, whether it's your brother, your dad, your boyfriend, your husband, all those kind of things. I know guys are so hard to shop for, so in this video I'm going to be giving you so many different types of gifts you can get for them in different categories, so you know every single person is catered for. If you like this video and you want to see more of these kinds of videos or any others, please suggest them in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, the link is right down there, as well as the bell icon, and make sure you hit the bell, which just ensures that you guys get notifications every single time I post. There's a plane passing. Without further ado, let's get straight into the first category, which is the under 50. So for the under 50, I always suggest these ones because they are really good gifts for the beginning of the year, because everybody's trying to get their life on track, setting their New Year's resolutions. So I suggest getting him a journal. This is what mine looks like. This one is pretty unisex. I think a woman or a man can use this. But if they have a specific kind of book or journal that they might like, it would be nice to get them one of those. Also get them a nice pen that they can write with it in it, because they'll always think of you while they're journaling. The next thing you can get them is a great self-help book, because of course this is the best time to start thinking of ways to help yourself and make more money and get everything in your life on track in the beginning of the year. For a guy, I suggest either The Alchemist or The One Thing by Gary Keller, and if he's already read those books, try and figure out what's next on his list and get him those books before he can get them for himself. The next thing you can get him that is under 50 is a nice body care hamper. Now I know lots of guys are always like lazy sometimes. They'll just do like one little thing, the all-in-one, 10-in-1 lotion, shampoo, conditioner, this light. Lotion, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, moisturizer, everything is one product. Make sure you be that one person to get them a little hamper, but not too many things, because you don't want to overwhelm them and then make them not use it. No, just get them a nice little hamper, you know, with like a lotion, a shower gel, maybe a shampoo, a conditioner if they keep long hair. You can get them like a nice little beard kit if they keep a beard, like, you know, some beard oil, a nice little comb, that kind of thing. They'd really appreciate it. And if they have a really bad skincare routine, you can get them, but up to like a max of 4 items, because again, you don't want to overwhelm them. You can get them like a face wash, a moisturizer, a beard oil, and I don't know, a lip balm, because some guys have really crusty looking lips. So that would be like a nice little, you know, just help themselves. The next thing you can get that's under 50, or you could make it under 50, is to get them a nice pair of socks and a really nice gown. Depending on where you live, if it's hot, you can get them like a nice thin gown that they can just wear when they get out of the shower instead of wearing a towel around the house. Or if you're in a colder place, or you're in a place where you have a long winter, you can get them a nice little soft fluffy gown that just looks very luxe but is affordable. The next thing you can get them is a subscription to whatever service they really like. Netflix, Disney Plus, the trending one that's going on that everybody wants right now. And Disney Plus, you know, Disney owns Marvel and a bunch of other studios. It's not just like cartoons. So there's going to be Star Wars, all the Marvel movies and that kind of thing. So I think they'd really appreciate that. Also, make sure you don't just pay for 1 month, pay for like 3 months, so they don't have to think about it and it really feels like a gift. The next thing you can get them is under the experiences category, and there are only 3 items in this category, and they are all amazing. The first one is you can get him concert tickets. If you don't like the artist, if it's like a rapper or like a country artist or whoever, if you don't like the person, you can still get him 2 tickets so he can go with his best friend or whoever he really wants to go with, a guy, if the person is like your boyfriend or your husband. Or if you really like the person, then you can get 2 tickets and you can go with them to the concert. You can also get them tickets to their favorite game, whether it's a basketball game, football, whatever their thing is, like anything sports related, tickets to that. that is an experience that you cannot control. You just know it's going to be amazing. They'll appreciate going in. Just make sure you get them nice seating. And the next thing under experiences is like a vacation, which is also like a gift for you because you can both go. And depending on your budget, you can make it like a 3-day thing or a 1-week thing, and you can make it as close or as far as you want. It'll just be a great experience you can have together, and you'd really remember it and document it. The next category is luxe, and under luxe there are so many things that you can get here, but I'm just going to give you a quick list of all the things I can think of. So the first thing you can get him is a really nice leather jacket, because almost everybody should own or wants to own at least one nice leather jacket. Just know his size, or if he has another similar jacket, you can just look at that and make sure you get him something really similar. Sorry for the light that keeps changing, just making everything weird, but we'll just leave it here because it might get lighter again. Anyway, get him a leather jacket. You can get a Polaroid camera if he likes taking photos, because that's like an instant photo and gives like a nice little vintagey feel to it. You can get him cologne like a YSL or a Boss or whatever he uses. If he uses a really expensive perfume and there happens to be like a limited edition or something, get him that. You can get him games for his video game, whether it's a PS4 or an Xbox. Just see the games that he plays, and if there happens to be like a new one that's coming out that he doesn't have yet, then you can get him that. Or if you're loaded like that and you want to get him like a new actual console, like an Xbox or a PS4, you can get him that. Again, make sure it's like your husband or your dad or a boyfriend who you've been with for a long time, who you intend to still be with for a long time, because I'm not about wasting money on people who aren't worth it. You can get him sports related merch or artist related merch. If he likes a certain rapper or singer or whatever, you can get him like concert merch. Or if it's like a sports team, you can get him like a nice jersey or a signed ball. Those are like really expensive, but you can find them. And yeah, something related to that. You can get him a Nespresso machine and Nespresso pods, or just the machine or just the pods. If it's just the pods, you might want to add them into something else, like something like the gown and the socks with the Nespresso pods, maybe. Or you can get him the Nespresso machine if he's a coffee drinker. If not, you can just get like a really nice fancy looking coffee plunger, which would definitely be cheaper. You can get him sneakers or smart shoes, whatever kind of shoes he's into, depending on where he works, or just the kind of shoes he likes to wear. Just see what he has and get something that's similar so you don't get the wrong thing. Similar colors, because like, you know, you can never have enough of the same shoes. Even the same shoes, if they're the kind of people who like to wear the same shoes and repurchase them, get them that. Next thing you can get them is a fancy satchel bag, which they can use like if they travel a lot or if they work in an office, so they have to carry like papers and stuff like that. A nice satchel bag will do the job. You can get them the new iPhone. You can get the matching pajamas with you, so you guys can be rocking the matching pajamas. Nice, really luxe, comfortable, like silk or satin ones. You can get him a gym bag if he's the gym type, or you're trying to motivate him, or he's been thinking about being a gym kind of person. You can get him a gym bag, gym clothes, or gym sneakers, because then they can kick into the new year ready to start working out, and they'll have some cute clothes to motivate them. You can also get them an alarm clock if they're one of those people who keep staying on their phone and they're trying to stop not being on their phone all night and it's keeping them awake. Get them an alarm clock so they don't have to put their phone right next to them when they sleep. You can get them headphones. You can get them a speaker. You can get them a tile mate if they're one of those people who loses their keys a lot, because then you can just beep and you find your keys. And it works both ways, because if you lose your phone after you find your keys, you can beep the keys and it's gonna send a little alert to your phone and you can find your phone. Now, the last category is for the guy who is so difficult to shop for, he literally does not know what he wants and you don't know what to get him. Get him a gift card. Most likely an Amazon gift card, because he can find whatever he wants there. Just put whatever amount you have available for his gift, put it on the gift card, and he can buy himself whatever he wants, and he'll be like, okay, this gift came from my girlfriend or my wife or whatever. If you enjoyed this video or you want to see a gift guide for her, that one's already up. I will link it in the eye and in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Click my face right there if you'd like to subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's just too dark now. There's a plane passing. And the bell to make sure you watch, to make sure you get notifications every single time I post, and watch the 2 videos on the side of the screen here if you're interested in those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!